They say everything you want in life is at the other side of fear. So my friends and I set out on an adventure to Hawaii to find out what the other side of fear looked like for ourselves. Our first experience with fear, shark diving. We are taught sharks are these vicious creatures that just want to eat us. Getting into the dark blue water, knowing right below us were these animals that could easily tear us apart, was nerve-wracking. Shark diving taught me that there are things we are taught to be afraid of, but in reality, we have no reason to be. The island of Hawaii is full of amazing landscapes to hike. The roads were sometimes steep, muddy, and early. And you never know if you'll make it through the trail till you're at the top. To end off our trip, we chose one of the most fearful activities you could do: skydiving. They took us up in the plane. You start seeing people jump out. And when your turn comes, you're looking right at what feels like death. And then you jump.
I need you to hold on. Heaven is a place not too far away. We all know I should be the one to say we all make mistakes. Take my hand.
If there's one thing I learned from coming face to face with my fears, it's that the moment before you make that jump is always worse than the moment after.